Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Mini Militia no connection problem, error code N2-1, and why the game is not opening. If you are seeing the N2-1 error or the game is stuck on loading, this is not an issue from your device, internet, or settings. The main reason behind this problem is that the game servers are currently down. In fact, the developers have stopped supporting the current version of Mini Militia, and the servers for this version have been shut down or are no longer active. Because of this, the game is unable to connect online, which is why you are getting the no connection error or the game is not opening properly. So in this case, there is no troubleshooting step that will fix the issue on your side. The developers are working on a new version or a new game, and they are shifting players to the updated version instead of continuing support for the old one. So if you want to continue playing, you will have to wait for the new release or install the newer version of the game when it becomes available. For now, the old Mini Militia servers are no longer working, and that is the reason for this error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.